Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you all about our new Vanshades Splashback element range. We've developed this product because a lot of people ask us if we can print any design that they like onto their Vanshades window pods, and that's very difficult due to the pleated nature of the product. So what we've done, we've taken on board our customers' views and we've come up with the Splashback Elements range. It basically means that through the functionality of our website, you'll be able to upload an image onto our website and then come up with the design that you want. We can print any high definition image. Once we receive your order, you'll receive the artwork to let you know exactly what that product's going to look like. But here we go, this is a red galaxy for instance. So yeah, just to summarise, this is the Vanshades Elements Splashback range. It'll soon be available on our website and we look forward to working with you.